So we do have a snack bar or snack stall sa one of the colleges here sa Manila. And specifically sa Pasay. And we tried a lot of products na. So before, nagkaroon kami ng may food na kasama. Pero napaalis din kami or napastop or nasuspend yung operation namin kasi nagkaroon kami ng conflict with the main concessionaire. So nag-stop kami. The income is good by that time. Pero since nag-stop kami, after nun, nung pagbalik namin, medyo nawala na yung mga suki for the students and nawala na yung mga, kumbaga hindi na kami kilala since years din eh. I mean, around a year, 1 year din bago kami nakabalik. So yun. Ngayon, nung pagbalik namin, pinayagan kami as sub-concessionaire to have snacks. So one of which is yung coffee bar natin, ay yung coffee natin, yung cafe. So we do have the R Cafe and nagkaroon tayo ng taho. So nag-open tayo ng taho kasi para inline naman with Filipino snacks since si R Cafe is pastries and coffee and yung taho natin is more on dessert, more on minatamis na hindi ay mahanap ng students within the vicinity kasi bawal mag-ikot ng mga vendors doon. So, fast forward, the income is not good. So, hindi masustain. Pati yung rent, hindi na. Actually, si Arca pa na yung nagbabayad ng rent kasi hindi na kaya. Which is before, nasusustain around, maganda yung kitaan, maganda. Ngayon, talagang hindi na. So, we tried to launch a new product which is, I really love when I was in college sa FEU. So, meron dong pandog kaming tinatawag. So, pandog is combination of pandesal, hotdog, plus kung gusto mo may extra cheese, magbabayad ka. And then, meron kaming chocolate na maliit. It's around 5 to 10 pesos lang binibenta. So, busog na kami at a good price. Since merong mga inflation ngayon, for sure, hindi na ganun same price. Doubled na yung price. And yun, hindi kami pwedeng mag-chocolate kasi nga may drink si R Cafe to give respect sa cafe natin. So ngayon, mag-pure kami sa food which is yung Pandog series natin. So gumagawa ako ngayon ng what to call this, marketing poster natin para pagbalik ng new school year kasi no, ng college tsaka ng senior high, pagbalik nila, bago na yung may kita nila. So pakita ko sa inyo. This is what we call Pandog series. So we do have two types pa lang as a starter natin. So we will be having Pandog, Pandesal plus Jumbo Hotdog for 55 pesos. And Pandog with cheese. Pandesal plus Jumbo Hotdog plus cheese. Why am I documenting this? Kasi may mga nakita akong episodes before na it is good to have a TikTok as a